Courgette, zucchini, or patola soup with cream. Quick, easy, and inexpensive. Find out how to elevate this humble dish to restaurant levels. And we're back at our small kitchen. Warm welcome mga kaibigan. Ito naman ang Ingleserong Kuya presenting our simple soup dish today. Vegetarian, no meat, no seafoods, pure vegetables. It's economical, it's healthy, it's easy. It's economical because I'm cooking a big batch and I'll just be freezing small portions so that any time of the year when I fancy soup, I'll just bring it out of the freezer and enjoy it. Diba? Tipid na, madali pa. That's how to live. I'll present to you the ingredients. I already told you about my last harvest of courgette, I think. Onion and 3 cloves of garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. Since we won't be adding any meat, walang sahog, I'll be adding flavor enhancer. This is chicken powder. And some aroma, spice, parsley, dried parsley. I'm too lazy to go to the garden today, so I'm using dried parsley instead. It's better sometimes. Dried herbs are better sometimes. Fresh herbs may look better, they're more Instagrammable, but dried herbs are more powerful, stronger. I'll pick the garlic up and we can start. Even the courgette fell. Yikes, where's it? I got them. And the garlic. We can start. Just slice the courgette or the zucchini as fine as possible. By the way, you can also do this with patola or upo or tabungaw. Another glance of our prep ingredients, just this. And you can start the stir fry. I didn't mention about the oil, salt and pepper, but they are standard. We're also featuring my old casserole here. I love it, despite its age. It's the color. The camera missed the garlic, but it's here now. And then we add the flavor enhancer, chicken powder. It's better to add it now than later. We can add more later, but infuse the oil with flavoring now. It does wonders. Now the courgette will add the zucchini or the patola or the upo or tabungaw. They almost taste the same. Don't go away because I'll be adding 2 more ingredients which are optional, but they will bring this up to restaurant levels. And I mean international restaurant levels. Here it is. Before adding water, I'll add first roughly half cup, just half cup of white wine. Just let that boil so that the alcohol evaporates. And if alcohol consumption or adding alcohol to your food is against your tradition or religion, replace this with just vinegar. I think 2 tablespoons of vinegar. just add, or the amount of wine, let's say 1 cup, just add 1/6 vinegar. 1/6 as a good replacement. And then wait also until it briskly boils before adding more water. For me, I'll drink the rest. I promise this to be a simple and quick dish. So how about adding boiling water instead of cold water to accelerate the cooking? Which I have it here now. It's briskly boiling. I can smell wine in the air now, so it means it has escaped from the soup or from the water. And I'll add the boiling water. More water and more chicken powder. The chicken powder contains salt, and we add ground pepper, freshly ground. So let's just boil this until the courgette is cooked, and it's done. No, not yet. Don't go away. There's another addition. Stay with me. This will be fun and delicious. If you wish, and according to your taste, you can add more salt. But to me, the flavor enhancer already salty, you know. So I won't be adding salt. Perhaps just a bit, but later. I'm sure even without tasting, this should be cooked now. Turn it off and let's oscillate. Let's blend it. I don't have an oscillator, so I'll use this blender. Now let's add cream, not just cream, but I'm using cream cheese, richer and stronger. Bring it to a boil once again, and let's add dried parsley. And we're done. To be honest, it's really delicious. I think I was generous with the wine, but it's really delicious. The cream and the freshness of the courgette. Delicious. Go on now, make one today. Simple courgette soup. Let me enjoy this, and I hope I have inspired you to make courgette soup at home. Pure vegetarian. Perhaps not just make courgette soup, but grow courgette as well and be self-reliant. Thank you for joining me here today, and I hope I've inspired you to grow, cook, and share here on Channel 1.